Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you all about the Cricut EasyPress 2. So stay tuned if you want to hear about all the features that it has and why I purchased it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video for more content like it. Okay, so everything kind of looks a mess back here. That's mostly because I have this box right here. I wanted you guys to see the box that it comes in. I ordered the Cricut EasyPress 2 on Amazon. I did price comparisons across like Amazon, Cricut, and I guess those are the two main places that I looked. And you saved a little bit of money if you go through Amazon, but also I just knew it would get to me really quickly. So the EasyPress 2 on Amazon is $199. On Cricut, I think it was like $199.99, but I think it used to be more than that. So it was great, and it got to me in like a day or two. A few things about this is it comes with this base. So it actually has a vented base that it sets on, which is really nice because when it's on, you don't want to set it down on anything unless you're trying to do some iron on. So a few features is it has this dual heating elements ceramic coated plate. So the entire plate is ceramic coated, which means that it gets a really, really nice even heat all throughout this entire plate. And the difference between this and like a hand iron is that a hand iron gets like more heat in certain places of it versus this, like, and it's a really large plate too. So then you can just set it back down on that stand while it's heated up. So it has the edge-to-edge ceramic coated plate, which definitely gives a more even heat to it. It has precise temperature control and goes up to 400 degrees. And it's got this cute little LED screen here. And then it also goes up to 60 seconds, I believe, which is really as long as you would need to press something. I just can't imagine pressing something for anything more than that. It's very precise temperature controlled. I'm looking at notes down here. The safety features is it has this insulated safety base here. And like I said, you can set it on there when it's hot and it will cool down on there, and or you can just set it there in between projects. And then it has auto shut off after 10 minutes of inactivity. So if you forget to turn this off, there is no problem. It'll turn itself off. So that's really awesome. Comes in 3 colors. The lilac, which was what I got. I'll put a picture of the other ones here. The mint and raspberry. All 3 are really beautiful colors. It comes in a 12 by 10, which is what this size is, a 9 by 9, and then there's the little tiny one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's 1.92 inches by 3.25 inches. So it's just a little tiny handheld one. I also purchased with this heat resistant mat. It is also Cricut brand heat resistant mat, and I got the largest one. I want to say it was 15 by 15. I will link all of this stuff down below so that you'll know, but this basically, it comes folded up like this and you lay it out, and that's what you'll use to put like t-shirts on and whatnot so that you can press on top of that. So the t-shirt goes here, and then you use the EasyPress to go on top of that. And that just gives you another like safety, I want to say safety feature, but it just gives you that heat resistant feature on that. So you're not going to burn whatever like tabletop you have it on. And then I also purchased this carrying case, and it has like really, really awesome features here. So it has these top handles, but then it also has all these spots where you can put all your tools and whatever. So if you're traveling with it, it makes it really, really easy. These are the instructions that come with it. And you just zip this front pocket up like that. And then on the interior, you have another mesh pocket here. And then here you have the spot where you can put the actual heat press in there. I'll try to like insert a picture or video or something here of me putting that in there and how it all sits in there so that you guys can get a feel for how compact it is. It actually is a really, really great carrying case. I was surprised. This is not by Cricut. It's by a company called Homest, H-O-M-E-S-T. I'll link it down below. The one thing I would say about this EasyPress that I have found is the cord is not really long. So you need to make sure that wherever you have it plugged in, it's an easy place for you also to just move over and use as a heat press. But I'm gonna go ahead and point this down a little bit so that you can see the heat press when it turns on. So I've plugged it in, and all you do is hit the power button here, and you can see that the little Cricut button turns on. Let me hold it up a little closer. It turns on there. I'm trying to hold it up so that I don't burn myself as it warms up. So it turns on, and you can see it's easy to hold with one hand, really. You can set the temperature here, so you hit that, and it blinks to show you what temperature you want to get it to, and then you can up the temperature or go down on the temperature. And these buttons are really good and clicky. Then you can set the time, the amount of time that you want it to set for, and go up and down there. So once it's all heated up, the little Cricut button here turns green, and you know that it's ready to go. So as soon as that's heated up, I'll show you the button all turned green and heated up and ready. For now, I'm going to go ahead and move some of this stuff so that I can show you better how it works. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that. It kind of chimed a little bit to let us know that it was ready. I went ahead and like dropped the heat temperature down, the heat setting down, so that we could get to it a little bit quicker. So right now it's set at 210, but if I was gonna do a t-shirt, I would probably set it at like 350. I did notice when I heated this up versus like my heat press, that this actually gets not quite as hot, so it doesn't put off as much. So it says it's accurate heat temperature. I don't know which one is more accurate, but regardless. So I just grabbed an old project that I've already done, and this is already set on the canvas, but I wanted to show you guys how this works. So I just put this mat down, and then I pick it up, and you just set it on top of it. And Cricut actually says not to move it around. It doesn't need that, but you can put a little extra pressure on it, anywhere from 5 to 20 pounds, and that's all on Cricut's website. So once you set it down, you just hit the Cricut button, and it starts counting down the time for you. Get a little beep, it's done. If you wanted to press it again, you can press that button again. If you want to stop it, you can press that button again. You just lift it up and set it over there. And now my project is all nice and warm. And what I do like about it is it lays nice and flat on canvases like this. So that's the Cricut EasyPress 2, the 12 by 10. It comes with instruction manual. It also comes with this other like little Cricut design to put on something if you wanted to, and it's really, really simple to use. Really, I was shocked at how easy it was to use. I am going to come out with a video comparing my heat press to the Cricut EasyPress, size, dimensions, choices, you know, why I would choose each, for what occasion or whatever. And so that will be coming out not too long after this video, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions about the Cricut EasyPress, please just leave them down in the comments down below. I will get back to you with answers as best to my ability and as quickly as I can. And for now, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Just dive right into all the stuff, so stay tuned. The easy tune if you want to hear all about it. Stay tuned if you want to hear. I need that. Ceramic coated plate, but it's very price temperature. So that is the Cricut EasyPress 2, the 12 by So I just grabbed an old product that I've already